Well, sometimes when you think back, it's a mixture of good and difficult times. Yeah. That surprised some of the things I've seen and found. I was surprised I found this. Yeah, this is what I was looking for. My mum wanted to see the photographs of my parents. I think they had more emphasis on taking pictures to keep, whereas today it's not so. My dad. Last time I saw him, he was very ill. I can remember that. Shame. It's a long time. To my mother. I remember his sort of look on his face when he saw his raincoat on or his light overcoat and his trilby hat. He looked at me with a big smile across his face. Yeah. So that was a good thing. Today we discard so many things. Puzzled. Becoming aware of all the things I never knew. Wish I've had, the opportunity of talking about some of the things to him, but life's not like that. I'd like to know what he really thought. Because there are lots of questions you would like to have asked, given the opportunity a second time. Things that didn't spring to mind then, but now spring to mind. Small world. I'm looking at you. You've got daffodils in your window.